My name is Brad Tatum. I am the construction manager for Hope Community Corp. What we do is we build single, double wide, and manufactured homes for nonprofit. I oversee every facet of the build of the homes out on the construction line. The whole idea of this was built out of the last few years of wildfires that we've had in the West. And our CEO had noticed that there is a need for homes for people that have been displaced due to the current wildfires of the last few years. Our very first prototype model left the building in October 23. Currently, we can produce one of these units per week to the quality that Hope would like for our homes to be. That is one of the things that we pride ourselves on, is that the quality of the home that we build is above standard than what the industry is experiencing. In the building of Hope, we've also had the opportunity to create a student training facility for juniors and seniors in the surrounding community with the partnership of Lane ESD to give students a look at what the construction world is and kind of give them some training so that when they graduate out of high school, they have kind of a leg up on getting into the construction world. Everything is pneumatic. All of our fasteners, staplers, nail guns, basically all of our fasteners are all pneumatic. We do use some battery powered tools, but mostly it is all ran off compressed air. If we were to lose our compressed air system, basically our framing crews, our finish crews, a lot of that would set us back days. If we were to be down off and lose our compressed air, basically we would be going back to having to do a lot of this stuff by hand, not having compressed air and not being able to manufacture and assemble these homes on a timely manner. Really basically takes that build cost and just increases it exponentially. Rogers was brought in to design the system for us. Our system is a 2-compressor system. We have a lead compressor and a lag compressor. Our system runs, we currently have over close to 900 feet of air system. We run probably 35 to 40 pneumatic tools at any one time on that system, and we have 0 air loss. So the system has been designed pretty well to keep up with this factory's needs. Part of our business model is that we stay with local companies. We get most of our materials, some are sourced here locally with privately owned and locally owned companies, and Rogers Machinery came highly recommended. The contractor that was hired to build this facility for Hope has a 30-plus year working relationship with Rogers, so we didn't even think twice other than to call Rogers in and say, hey, this is our need, help us design it. It went online October of 23, and we currently are around 500 hours of running time, and we have had 0 issues with it. The maintenance and the crew have come and checked on it. And when we get to our 1,000-hour service, they'll be back. We don't really even have to think about it. Rogers was great when they came and got it all up and running. Every time I've had a question, service questions, hey, what about this, what about that? They've constantly been there. The customer service has been top notch to whatever we need to answer. Any questions we have, we really haven't, like I said, it's been seamless. We haven't had issues with it one bit. We know that Rogers will stand behind their service, and any customer service issues that we have, the reliability has always been there. The reliability from Rogers is one of the reasons that we chose to go with Rogers and nobody else.